my dear foodies, welcome to Afreen's Tasty Kitchen. Today in this video I am going to show you how to make the perfect Mysore Pak very easily at home. So now let's get started with the process. So the ingredients are 2 cups ghee, 1.5 cup chickpea flour, besan, two cups sugar, all-purpose flour, that is maida, for dusting the plate. First, we need to roast the chickpea flour until the nice aroma comes. Now keep this aside. Take sugar in a bowl. Add 1 cup of water and let it boil. Simultaneously, heat the ghee in another bowl. Boil sugar syrup until you get string-like consistency. At this stage, add chickpea flour and keep mixing it continuously. The quantity of sugar I have used is perfect for sweetness. Now, start adding the hot ghee and repeat the process until the ghee is completed with constant stirring. Stirring plays a key role in this recipe. So, keep stirring until the ghee is completely absorbed and its consistency becomes thick. Take a flat base vessel and dust it with some maida. Now add this hot Mysore Pak and spread it. Sprinkling sugar on top is optional. Cut the pieces into desired shape while it's hot. Once it cools down, take it in a serving plate and enjoy your tasty and yummy Mysore Pak. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video. Until then, Take care. Bye-bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look